Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to resolve this error that if you see this error in your Microsoft Teams that says something went wrong, we couldn't sign you in. If this error persists, contact your system administrator and provide the error code CAA5004B. So let's get started and let's see how we can resolve this if your device information is missing. Now what you can do here, guys, let's me just close here. And let's go to settings in the start menu, and on the settings on the left hand side you can see this apps right here. Click on the apps, and on the right hand side we can see installed apps. Just go in here. Now from here just write Teams, hit enter, and it should show you Microsoft Teams option. Just click on these three dots right here and click on advanced options. Now guys, here is where you can repair or reset your apps. So we have both options. If you scroll down a bit, you will see this reset section where we have the repair option. We can just firstly try to repair that. Let me just play that. And after that, you can relaunch the application and that should work. If not, you can try resetting that as well. So let's click on reset, but it says this will permanently delete the apps that are on the device, including your preference and sign-in details. So just make sure before clicking next or clicking reset, that's what you want to do. So if you're sure about it and you have saved your data, click on reset. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me just quickly restart the computer to see if the problem is resolved. So let's click restart. And after that, just quickly log in. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully your application will run smoothly after that. So if it works, just mention down in the comments if that works. And if you find this video helpful, just subscribe to our channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.